Hello friends, welcome to House of Tech English. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete multiple contacts in your iPhone. I'm going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now for starters, we all know the basic process of deleting a contact, which is we can go to that particular contact, we can go to edit option, and down here we get an option of delete contact, right? But what if you want to delete multiple contacts at the same time? Then there is no option to select multiple contacts and then to delete it. The simple way to select multiple contacts is you just have to take two fingers and you have to drag on the contacts like this. So this is how you can select multiple contacts, and if you tap and hold on any one of the contact, you get an option to delete those selected contacts. Now this is one way of deleting multiple contacts in your iPhone. Now the other thing is, some of the contacts are here. What if I want to choose more contacts which are down here? Then in that case, you have to do the same process. Once you have selected the contacts, you can go down and again you have to drag with two fingers like this, and you can select multiple contacts, and then you can delete those contacts in one go. One more thing. Now you can see I am selecting multiple contacts over here, right? But suppose if I want to select only one contact over here, so in that case again drag like this and leave it like this. So this is how you can select one particular contact when you are choosing multiple contacts, right? So after that, you know the process, tap and hold and then delete it in one go. I'm not going to delete because I will be needing those contacts. But yes, this is how simple it is to delete multiple contacts in your iPhone. Now, if the process is not working in contacts over here, then all you can do is you can just search for contacts application. You can go in contacts application and you can do the same thing. Like if I want to select, I'm going to select multiple contacts over here. So yes, that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.